Hello friends, welcome to this new week, and starting us off we are going to look at how you can create a pivot table using Excel. Now I have this Titanic dataset here, and to start us off you look for a new sheet and locate a new cell, after which you come to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Table on your left hand side. Next, you're going to want to select a table or a range. In our case, it's a range of values. So we come here to this sheet and we select this range of values. When we return, it's asking you choose where you want the pivot report to be placed. It can either be the new worksheet or an existing worksheet. Now we have the existing worksheet, which is sheet 2, which is already selected, so we are going with that. Say OK, and here you have your pivot table, and on the right you have the fields. So as you can see, passenger ID, survived, and the rest are appearing here. Now to create, you go ahead and select this. You can just drag and drop, or you can just check here, but when you check, you don't determine where it is going. It will automatically place it wherever. So in this case it has placed it under rows, but you can as well place it under columns. Let's stick with the rows. Now say I want to find out the number of passengers by the 6. We shall come to passenger ID, and then as you can see, it is giving us a sum of values, but we want a count of the passenger ID. So you come to value field settings, and then we're going to come under the summarize value field by, and then choose the type of summary you would like. In this case, count. Say OK, and here you go. You're having the number of females at 314 and males at 577, giving us a grand total of 891. So that's a brief description of how you can create a pivot table. We shall be building on top of this in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Happy learning.